In an age where information about health and wellness is readily available, it is perplexing to see how many people continue to engage in habits that undermine their well-being. Bad habits, whether they are related to diet, exercise, substance use, or mental health, can have a profound and detrimental impact on an individual's overall health. Understanding why these habits develop and the extent of their consequences is crucial for anyone seeking to lead a healthier, more fulfilling life. This article will delve into the psychology and biology of bad habits, their effects on health, and strategies to break free from them. The nature of bad habits. Bad habits are behaviors that are unhealthy or detrimental to one's well-being. They often develop gradually over time and can be difficult to break due to their ingrained nature. Common examples include poor dietary choices, lack of physical activity, smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and neglecting mental health needs. The development of bad habits can be influenced by various factors, including genetics, environment, stress, and lifestyle. Many people turn to unhealthy behaviors as a coping mechanism for stress, anxiety, or emotional distress. For instance, someone may indulge in junk food after a long day at work or smoke cigarettes to alleviate feelings of anxiety. These behaviors can create a vicious cycle, where temporary relief leads to long-term health consequences. The impact of bad habits on physical health. Obesity and diet-related issues. One of the most significant impacts of bad habits is the rise of obesity and related diseases. Poor dietary choices such as consuming high amounts of sugar, saturated fats, and processed foods can lead to weight gain and increased risk of conditions like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain cancers. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) highlights that obesity is a major contributor to health problems, underscoring the importance of maintaining a balanced diet. Cardiovascular disease. Bad habits such as smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and a sedentary lifestyle are leading contributors to cardiovascular disease. Smoking damages blood vessels and can lead to atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries, while excessive drinking raises blood pressure and increases the risk of heart attack and stroke. According to the American Heart Association, lifestyle changes can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. Mental health issues. Bad habits are not limited to physical health, they can also take a toll on mental well-being. Substance abuse, poor sleep habits, and lack of exercise can lead to or exacerbate mental health conditions such as depression and anxiety. The World Health Organization states that mental health is integral to overall health, and unhealthy habits can create a downward spiral of poor mental and physical health. Respiratory issues. Smoking and exposure to secondhand smoke are primary drivers of respiratory diseases, including chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD) and lung cancer. Even occasional smoking can have long-term effects on lung function and overall respiratory health. The risk of respiratory issues is compounded for individuals who also lead a sedentary lifestyle, as physical inactivity can weaken lung capacity and overall fitness. Gastrointestinal problems. Dietary habits play a significant role in gastrointestinal health. Consuming a diet high in processed foods and low in fiber can lead to digestive issues such as constipation, irritable bowel syndrome (IBS), and inflammatory bowel disease (IBD). Over time, these issues can affect nutrient absorption and overall health. The psychological consequences of bad habits. Beyond the physical ramifications, bad habits can also have severe psychological consequences. Engaging in destructive behaviors can lead to feelings of guilt, shame, and low self-esteem, creating a cycle that perpetuates the habit. Addiction. Many bad habits can lead to addiction, whether it's to nicotine, alcohol, or unhealthy foods. Addiction can alter brain chemistry, making it increasingly difficult to break free from the cycle of dependency. This can result in significant emotional and financial stress, impacting relationships and quality of life. Social isolation. Bad habits often lead to social withdrawal. For example, individuals who struggle with substance abuse may isolate themselves from friends and family, further exacerbating feelings of loneliness and depression. The social stigma associated with certain behaviors can create barriers to seeking help, leading to a downward spiral of worsening health. Cognitive decline. Some studies suggest that poor lifestyle choices can contribute to cognitive decline and increase the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Factors such as poor diet, lack of exercise, and substance abuse can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress, which are detrimental to brain health. Breaking the cycle of bad habits. Recognizing the harm caused by bad habits is the first step toward making positive changes. However, breaking entrenched habits can be challenging. Here are some strategies to help individuals overcome bad habits and promote healthier lifestyles. Set clear goals. Establishing specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals can provide a clear roadmap for change. For example, instead of simply stating, "I want to eat healthier," one might set a goal to incorporate at least 2 servings of vegetables into every meal for the next month. Identify triggers. Understanding what triggers bad habits can help individuals develop healthier coping mechanisms. Keeping a journal to track behaviors and emotions can reveal patterns and help identify situations that lead to unhealthy choices. Create a support system. Surrounding oneself with supportive friends and family can make a significant difference in breaking bad habits. Joining support groups or engaging in community programs can also provide encouragement and accountability. Replace bad habits with positive ones. Instead of simply trying to eliminate a bad habit, focus on replacing it with a healthier alternative. For instance, if someone tends to snack on junk food while watching TV, they might substitute it with healthy snacks like fruits or nuts. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness techniques, such as meditation and deep breathing, can help individuals become more aware of their thoughts and behaviors. This heightened awareness can lead to better decision-making and reduced impulse control. Seek professional help. For some, breaking bad habits may require professional intervention. Therapists, nutritionists, or addiction counselors can provide valuable guidance and support for individuals struggling to make lasting changes. Celebrate small wins. Recognizing and celebrating progress, no matter how small, can boost motivation and reinforce positive behavior changes. Setting milestones and treating oneself to non-food related rewards can help maintain momentum. Conclusion. Bad habits can have a profound and multifaceted impact on health, affecting both the body and mind. From the physical consequences of poor dietary choices and substance abuse to the psychological ramifications of addiction and social isolation, the effects are far-reaching. However, by understanding the nature of these habits and implementing effective strategies to overcome them, individuals can reclaim their health and well-being. In a world filled with distractions and temptations, prioritizing health is more important than ever. By fostering awareness, setting clear goals, and seeking support, anyone can break free from the chains of bad habits and pave the way for a healthier, happier life. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards of improved health, enhanced well-being, and a greater sense of fulfillment are well worth the effort.